Good morning, students. How are you all? I'm sure you are very well. We have finished our first lecture on geography, second on English grammar, and today we are here with English. Okay, first and foremost, let me ask you, how are you today? Good? Yes, very nice. All of you had a good rest at night? Did you sleep well? How many of you got some dreams? Did anyone get dreams? I know some of you might have got nice dreams. So nice holidays are there, we can take rest. Oh, or you might have said, oh, principal is with a stick. Dream. What do you feel? What is dream and what is your real life? Is it somewhat similar? Is life is a dream? Life cannot be a dream, my dear friends. Dream is something we dream for the dream, but then that dream we have to achieve it in our life. And life is something reality. Dreams are not reality. It is just dreams, imaginary things. But life is not imaginary. Life is real. Everyone likes to have dreams. Everyone wants. Some of you might be, oh my God, I should have bungalows, I should have money, I should be having good family, good life, I should have good marks. This might be your dreams. But in reality, you have to work for your dreams. You have to make it proper, make it achieve your dreams in your real life. So life is not a dream, life is reality. So today we are going to learn the poem Life. Okay? And this life poem is written by Charlotte Bronte. Now what Charlotte Bronte says in this poem, we shall go through. That life is not a dream. When you see the morning raindrops, you feel it is very pleasant. Sometimes you see there is sadness, sometimes you see joy in life. Both are there in the life. Then ups and downs are there. And we are called to give our best way in our possible means. So life is of everything, mixture. Good times, bad times, ups and downs. But we have to be firm in that. And then only we can live a good life. Let us come to the poem, what Charlotte Bronte says in the poem. I'll read out. Life, believe, is not a dream, so dark as sages say. It is like dark. We do not know what is going to happen tomorrow. We are just moving. We do not know tomorrow what is there or what is going to be the future. It is darkness, and in the darkness we are walking. When it is light, we know the things, but when it is dark, we do not know. So we do not know what is there ahead. But we still have faith in God and take our step ahead. Oft a little morning rain foretells a pleasant day. Yeah, morning rain fell and we feel so nice, pleasant. We feel everything is cool and calm. Sometimes there are clouds of gloom, but these are transient all. Yes, it's this the meaning of the sentence is that there are sometimes sadness, there are sometimes bad moments in that. But does it remain forever? No, it is transient. Transient means it moves on. Sorrows, sadness will move on. It will not remain permanently. Everything is changing. You are changing. We are changing. Then next, if the shower will make the roses bloom, oh, why lament its fall? When the shower falls, the roses bloom. Then why do we cry when it falls down? Yes, as humans we feel sad when the rose which is blooming has fallen down. But again, it will bloom because of the rain. So we have to bloom. We may fall down, get up, rise up. That is what Charlotte Bronte wants to say in life. Don't cry because God will raise you up. You may fall down, don't cry, get up because God is there. He will help you up to come up in life. Rapidly, merrily, life's sunny hours filled by. Gratefully, surely, enjoy them as they fly. See, enjoy each and every moment of life. Live in the present. Don't think of the future, don't think of the past, but be in the present. And because this moment also will fly away. This moment also will fly away. Have you ever gone to the river a flowing river. Once you keep your leg in this water, you cannot keep the leg in the same water again because that water is already formed. Same way is life is not going. The moment this moment will pass, you cannot be tomorrow again in this moment. Understood? So this is this moment. So be in the present. Now you are with me in English class. Be present here. Don't worry about what is going to happen afterwards. Next. What though death at times steps in and calls our best away? What through sorrow seems to win our hope a heavy street? So, life is a reality, so same way death also is a reality. And when death comes, it takes away everyone. It takes away the poor, the rich. It doesn't has any barriers of religion. It doesn't see whether he is a child, whether he is an elder. It doesn't see whether he is man or whether he is a woman. Death doesn't make distinction. It comes for everyone and it takes everyone. It takes the best person. We cannot have any reason to say, why did he took him? He was such a good man. You see that there are people who are very good, living good life, but still they have gone. And there are people who according to us, are very living an immoral life, but still they are present. So that is what is life. We have no answer for that, my dear friends. We cannot have any answer for it. Let us go ahead. Yet hope again elastic springs, unconquered though she fell. Still buoyant are her golden wings, still strong to bear as well. See, yet hope again elastic springs. What is a hope has elastic wings? Means it can move and it has wings. That means we have hope. In life, we have hope that we are going to live. We are going to achieve, and that is why we are having. If the hope is not there, we cannot achieve it. There is hope within us that we can do that, and that is why. So the hope has wings, and that wings which will help us to go ahead in life. It will take us high. We may fall down, but that hope will make us to rise up. That is what is said in that. It has golden wings, still strong to bear us well. That means to do something good. Manfully, fearlessly, the day of trial bear. For gloriously, victoriously, can conquer well despair. How we have to face the life at the last day? How to face? Manfully means with full of vigor, not being a coward, not this one. No, committing suicide. Today you see people are committing suicide. Why? Are we so much coward? Are we so much fearless? Are we so much afraid that we cannot face? Let us be strong. See our parents, they were so strong that they have faced all the situation. And why are we so weak today? Let us be strong. Let us face the situation manfully, strong, as a soldier faces the things. Never give up in life. To be strong. For gloriously, victoriously can courage kill despair. If you have courage, you will win. A man of courage will be always victorious. But if you are given up in life, you cannot win. One who practices thoroughly and one who believes himself can win the race, he will win the race. But he gives up at the last moment. So never give up in life. Face the situation strongly, boldly, and face it with full heart. This is life teaches us, my dear friends. Life teaches us a beautiful lesson that never give up in life. Go ahead, be strong. The person who helps himself, God helps. The person who helps himself, God helps him. So try to help yourself. Try to run behind your dreams and achieve it. Do not give up. Hope is there that we can win till last moment. So till last moment, keep on fighting. So I hope you have understood the poem Life, written by Charlotte Bronte. Thank you and have a nice day.